Hi, this is Pp350. You will be following us to experience the binder jetting 3D printing technology in 10 to 15 minutes. We will start first by installing the ink cartridge. In order to pick up object, you can use VR controller on your hand to touch object and then press the trigger once to take it. Now, pick up the ink cartridge out of the ground. Put it into the ink cartridge chamber, and place it on the yellow, highlighted object. Connect the ink wire to the ink cartridge. Connect the RJ45 wire to the ink cartridge. Pick up the waste ink bottle. Use another hand to hold and plug the transparent tube into the waste bottle. Place the waste ink bottle onto the dock in the ink cartridge chamber. Close the right chamber door. Then, close the left chamber door. Everything goes well so far. Press Next to install the printhead module. You need to use a specific software to release the printhead cover. Touch the protective pad and latch in yellow to open the printhead cover. You did very well. Pick up the printhead on the right side table and put it into the printhead slot. Close the printhead latch and the cover, and it will lock automatically. You did very well. We need to add powder into the feeder slot before we can print. Press Next to continue. Pick up the scoop on the right side table. Use the scoop to bale some powder. Pour the powder into the feeder slot until it is filled up. Use the rod to slightly the powder, letting inside air out of the powder. Now, use the flattening plate to slowly wipe the surface of the powder. Press Up button on the LCM panel, letting powder surface reaches the required height. You did very well. We are close to finish this process. Touch the top door handle to close it. Press Next to start printing. The Pp350 is now working. You can see through the cover window of how the printing process goes. Each time powder spreading will be followed by one binder jetting. This process goes layer by layer until the printed object is formed in the builder. Press Next to finish the printing process. Touch the handle to open the top drawer. Pick up the build plate holder on your right side table. Place the build plate holder in the builder slot in the chamber. Press OK on the LCM panel to raise the build plate. Lock both side buckles of the build plate holder. Pick up the build tray and move it in. You did very well. You did very well. Now, we are enter the last step, removing unnecessary powder out of the print. Assuming we've unlocked the buckles of the build plate holder. Pick up the build plate holder and put it on the left side table. You did very well. Touch the handle to close the door of the EZ350. Move your hands in, and use the brush to remove powder piece by piece. Pick up the air gun and hold the trigger of the controller, then clean the powder. The powder is cleaned up. Open the top door again. Remove the print out of the chamber and place it on the red tray at the right. You did very well. Take the glue bottle and pour some glues on the model. The process is complete. You can hold the print to check if you want, or you can lever the VR demo.